Hi guys, you're welcome to another interesting tutorial again. In this video, I'll be showing us how to do this waving design on whipped cream. Very easy and simple, so let's go. One thing you should know when working on whipped creams is that the lifespan of it is very short because of the weather. That is for those that are in the East African, West African, or mostly the African region. So when you are doing this, you have to be very fast. If you choose to use a piping method, fine. If you choose to use the palette method, fine. So the first thing I did was to pipe my cake round. I already ganached this cake, if you can see it now. So I pipe it round, and after that, I use the palette knife to get the top first before going with the buttercream. Because the design I'm doing is not complicated, it's just a very simple design. And I just use the comb to go around the cake for how many times. When working on whipped cream, it is advisable to be very fast, mostly if where you are working on it is not cold, like if the room is not AC tight or you are not in America where they have winter. Yes, if you are in Nigeria and you are working on whipped cream, please make sure that you are doing it fast. Everything you are doing should fast. This is not time for you to not get the design right and then you want to start again, because no matter how stable that whipped cream is, it cannot sustain outside cold weather. Forget people will say stable whipped cream. Stable whipped cream will only be stable when the weather is cold or when you work on it fast. So for this waving design, we'll be using our small comb. That is the comb, very small. All you have to do is to go over it once, then you start taking it up and down, up and down, like you move your hand up, down, up, down. And it's best to do this with a turntable, so that as the table is turning, all you have to do is just to be taking your hand up and down, up and down. They have different design of the wave, so how the way you take your hand, it will determine how the wave is going to come out. So it's very simple. You just taking your hand up and down round the cake till you are done. So after that, you can decide to leave the edge like that. It's still going to be another design, or you use the same type of comb to make the edges sharp, and that is how to do it. So you can leave this cake like this, or you go in with different design like I did on this cake. Now I had to put different toppings. I added sprinkles, I added gold dust, and then gold balls and the rest. So it all depends on what you want to make. Some persons might want it simple, or they might want it with plenty design. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll be in the comment section. If you have any question, if you have anything that you want me to create a video on, I hope to see it there and I will answer it. See you on my next video. Bye.